Hello children, welcome to my channel Bright Head Kids. Today's video is an inspirational video and it is about a Republic Day of India. Kids, if you're watching this video for the first time, then subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell button for more exciting videos. India became free on 15 August 1947. It is our Independence Day. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the architect of Indian Constitution, and this constitution was adopted by Government of India on 26 January 1950. Completing country's transition towards becoming an independent republic. In republic, we have a government of the people, by the people and for the people. So since then, every year we proudly celebrate Republic Day on 26 January. On this day, President of India hoists our national flag on Delhi's Rajpath, followed by playing Indian national anthem Jana Gana Mana. Parade is held in capital New Delhi, commencing from gates of Rashtrapati Bhavan towards India Gate. The parade showcases India's defense capability as well cultural and social heritage. President of India, who is Commander-in-Chief of Indian Armed Forces, takes a salute from the marching regiments. We could see band march from different regiments of Indian Army, Navy and Air Force with all their finery and official decorations. I love to watch stunning sky shows by Indian fighter jets of Air Force. We all gather together at school in large numbers around the flag post. We all salute to our flag and all the glorious freedom fighters who martyred during freedom fight. Then there is a short speech by the chief guest. He reminds us of the sacrifices and sufferings of those who brought freedom to us. He encourages us to follow freedom fighters' footsteps. We all can see our national flag flying atop on all government offices and public buildings. On Republic Day, our tricolor flies proudly on them. At night, there are beautiful illuminations on government offices and buildings. I feel inspired and proud looking at them. The Republic Day is indeed a day to take a vow to work for our country so that it becomes a republic in true sense. Thank you kids for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep studying. Please do comment and let us know the topics on which you would like to see more videos. Thank you very much.